Hey, a new video about microtasking. I decided to record it, to address it to programmers and architects to explain what to do with customers who are less disciplined than we want them to be. I mentioned in a number of videos before that in order to do microtasking, it's very important to keep our workflow in tickets. It's very important to discuss everything in tickets. It's very important to have a number for each ticket and to know who is assigned to a ticket. So we need to, instead of working continuously, as many of you used to do your programming work, but work incrementally. Instead of just working from 9 in the morning till 5 in the evening, you have to work from ticket to ticket. So instead of working for full months because they pay you the salary, you're supposed to close tickets. And the more tickets you close, the more they pay you. That's what the idea of microtasking is. But the problem is customers. Because customers are clients and clients of zerocracy as well, and clients you most probably deal with, they are less disciplined than we want. They're not as disciplined as this microtasking requires. They don't want to talk in tickets. What they want is to pick up the phone, go into the Slack or some other chat they use and tell you what they want. They don't want to open the ticket, to structure the information they want to deliver to us. They're too lazy for that. Sometimes they're not that smart. Sometimes they just have no idea what they want. They just want to drop the information on us and let us figure out what to do. And our job, that's what I'm addressing this video to you, programmers. This is not for customers. But our job as programmers, as architects, first of all, is to discipline this unstructured flow of information and turn it into tickets. So every time the customer talks to you and tells you what they want, you have to listen to that and say, thank you very much, I understand, let me create the ticket. And then you create the ticket, help the client to be more structured, to be more disciplined, and then show the client the ticket you just created. And say, thanks a lot, we got what you want, we have a ticket 75 for that. And then the customer will say just, okay, thanks, no problem, it's your business, like you want that tickets, have them. But eventually, when you have more and more of those tickets, when you make them after every discussion with the customer, in the chat, in the phone call, in the email, they will see what's going on. They will become more disciplined. They will start respecting that formula, that process. And then they will start making those tickets. Maybe not, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that you, as an architect, maintain the discipline in the project. So when I see an architect talking to a customer in a chat and trying to figure out what to do and not creating tickets, I understand that the fault is at the architect, not at the customer. The customer is not supposed to be disciplined. They just have money, that's enough. But the architect has to worry about the quality of process. The architect has to worry about structuring this completely chaotic flow of information coming from the customer into the flow of tickets. So if you are the architect, do that. Don't blame the customer for being lazy, for being not smart enough to create tickets. Do it yourself. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.